Assalamu alaikum, greetings and welcome to the Drive Company's Learner's License Theory classes. Code 2 Light Motor Vehicles Road Signs. Memorize the keywords to pass your test easy. What is a keyword? The structure of the test is as follows. On the day of the test, they will ask you a question, give you 3 possible options to choose the correct answer. The keyword will be found in the correct option only. Memorize the keywords to select the correct option easily. Sign G9, a reservation sign, a square blue sign. You can use that part of the road if you wish. Keyword wish. Round blue signs, command signs. Sign B7, you must turn left at the next road. Sign B8, you must turn right at the next road. Sign B6, you must only drive straight on. Sign C3, you must drive there. Keyword is must. All round blue signs are command signs telling you what you must do. The keyword will always be must, except for speed, the keyword is slower, or for weight, the keyword is less. Sign B1, you may not drive slower than 50 kilometers per hour. Sign B2, vehicles with a mass of 10 ton and less may not drive there. Signs with a red stroke going across them forbids you from performing a specific action. Sign F6 forbids minibuses to drive past the sign. Sign E9 shows you that no motor vehicles may pass each other. Sign F5 shows you no motor cars may drive there. Be careful of sign E9. The keyword is motor vehicle. When you see a picture with 2 vehicles on it, for sign E9, choose motor vehicle, not motor cars. Sign L4 prohibits you from stopping there at certain hours. Sign K3 shows you that you may not drive there between 6 and 9. Sign E4 shows you may not turn left ahead. Sign E1 prohibits you from using your hooter. Sign L9 warns you about roads which cross ahead. Sign L10 warns you about roads which cross ahead and vehicles from the side must stop or yield at the intersection. Sign M1 warns you about roads which cross ahead and you may have to stop or yield at the intersection. Keyword for all 3 signs are roads which cross ahead. Sign O3, a concealed entrance from the left followed by one to the right. Sign N8, there is 2-way traffic ahead on the one-way road you are on. Keyword is one way. Sign Q6, only one vehicle can pass through the obstacles ahead. Sign Q7, the roads narrow from both sides. Sign R1 shows you that the road is slippery. Warning sign S3 shows you that the road ahead ends due to water. Sign S5 shows you that there is a low water bridge ahead. Sign Q4 shows you that the road in which you are traveling on is about to become a gravel road. Sign S1, when it flashes, it shows you that there is a danger in the road ahead. Sign R10 is a temporary sign. All signs with a yellow background are temporary signs. Sign S7, you must be on the lookout for agricultural vehicles. Sign 04 warns you that there's a traffic light ahead. Sign 09 shows you that there's a pedestrian crossing ahead. Sign P2 shows you that you must be on the lookout for cyclists. When you see sign P6, you must slow down because there is a motor gate on the left-hand side of the road. Sign N3 shows you that there's a sharp curve to the left ahead. Sign U3 shows you that there are potholes on the road ahead. Sign A2 shows you that you must stop, but if you want to turn left, you can use it as a yield sign. Sign A3 shows you must stop and drive on when it's safe to do so in the sequence that you have stopped. Sign A6 shows you that you have to give right of way to pedestrians crossing the road. Sign U4 shows you that the road winds for 12 kilometers. Keyword is winds for. Sign J8, speed limit at night. Sign X5, when the robot is red and the green arrow flashes to turn right, it shows you that if you want to turn right, you may go. Sign X6, when the robot is red and the green arrow flashes, as indicated in X6, it shows you that if you want to turn, you may go. Sign A8 shows you that you are not allowed to enter. Sign X8 shows you that it is a lane for traffic coming from the front or traffic coming from the other side. Sign E3 shows you that you are not allowed to drive there without permission. Sign BB3 shows you that only buses may park there. Sign BB4 shows you that only goods vehicles that want to load or offload may park there. Sign BB8 shows you that only minibuses may park there. Road marking AA4 shows you that a line is going to begin which prohibits you from passing. Road marking Z5 warns you that there is a level crossing with one line ahead. Road marking Y1 shows you that you must yield to all road users and possible trains. Sign Z4. If you approach a traffic circle and there are also traffic from the other three sides, you may drive on if you were the first one to cross the line. Sign CC9 is found at a traffic circle where right-of-way is applicable. Sign T8. When you approach sign T8, you must be ready to stop and turn left or right. Sign T1 shows you that there's an obstruction to the right of the road. Keyword is obstruction. Be careful of the sign because the arrows are pointing to the left, but the answer is obstruction to the right of the road. Sign T2 shows you that there's a temporary obstruction to the left of the road. Remember, all signs with yellow backgrounds are temporary signs. Road marking Y4 is a painted island where you are not allowed to stop or drive over. Road marking Y3 shows you that traffic may not pass or cross on either side. What's the difference between road marking AA6 and road marking Y3? Road marking AA6 shows you may not pass other vehicles, while Y3 shows you may not pass other vehicles as well as may not drive over it to turn into a yard or a driveway. Sign DD7 shows you that the road that turns off to the right is a cul-de-sac or ends. Sign DD5 shows you that the road turning to the left ends or is a cul-de-sac. In sketch 5, arrow E shows you that you must turn right from that lane. Sketch 8. There are 3 questions regarding sketch 8. Road marking RM 4.1, the yellow line. When are you allowed to drive in this section of the road? They will give you 4 possible options. You have to select 2. The first one is in the daytime when you want to allow another vehicle to pass, and if you have a flat tire and would like to park there to change the tire. Road marking RTM3 is a lane for pedestrians to cross. When you get to the front of the road, there will be 3 possible lines. The first line is for vehicles to stop behind, and the second 2 lines are a pathway for pedestrians to cross. If you want to change lanes from lane 1 to lane 2, you can only do it when it is safe to do so. You have to switch on your indicators in time to show that you are going to change lanes, and you have to use the mirrors of your vehicles. The correct answer will be all of the above. Sketch 9. Road marking GM1 shows the lanes for road users. Sketch 4. Road marking RTM1. If you are driving in car A, you must stop before this line. Vehicle B must stop behind vehicle A. When vehicle A drives off, vehicle B has to move forward, stop behind the line as well, and then drive off when it's safe to do so. Sketch 6. When you see road marking A, you may not park there. To turn, number 4 is used. To accelerate, you must use number 10. To stop your vehicle, you must use number 9. Not found in an automatic vehicle. Number 8. To select gears, you must use number 6 and 8. To ensure that your parked vehicle does not move, use number 7. And then they're going to ask you, which controls must you use when you are going to turn sharply? They will give you 3 possible options. Select the longest option. And that is all the road markings and road signs for Code 2 light motor vehicle. Did you find this class helpful? As you can see above, we've grouped all of the similar questions together, as well as added keywords to make it as easy as possible to memorize and to pass the test. If you found it helpful, please can you leave us a review on the link below. It's really simple to leave a review. Click on the link, choose the reviews button, Select a star rating, preferably as positive as possible. Type a few words and click post, as easy as that. We have also provided you with a study quiz to ensure you have memorized the above information correctly. Study quiz structure. A question will be asked. You'll have three possible options, A, B, or C. Select one of the options. Then click the button Right Answer to check whether you've chosen the correct answer. If you've chosen the correct answer, move to the next question. Same process from the next question. Read the question, select the answer, click the button Right Answer to check whether you've chosen the correct answer. If you've chosen the correct answer, move to the next question. So that's the process you're going to follow for the entire test. Read the question, choose the answer, check the answer. If you've chosen the correct answer, move to the next question. If you have chosen the incorrect option, make a list of all the incorrect options. For example, question 3, question 5, question 17, question 25. At the end of the entire test, you should have a list of all the questions you got wrong. Then go back and study the wrong questions only. Only the selected questions that you got wrong, go back and study them. Make sure you memorize them. Make sure you understand them. Make sure you know the correct answer. Once you've done that, then go back and redo the entire test again, fresh, following the same process until you get everything right. When you follow this process, you minimize the chance of getting any questions wrong on the day of the test. You're isolating the incorrect questions and making sure you memorize them. On the day of the test, they allocate you 1 hour to do the entire test. Our students usually pass the test in 15 minutes or 20 minutes. If you follow this process, inshallah, you will pass too. Please remember to leave us a review on the below link. Thanking you much in advance.